A kingdom on the brink. Once, France was a kingdom of grandeur and glory, ruled by kings who believed their power was divine. But beneath the surface, cracks were forming. The people were hungry, the treasury was empty, and the winds of change were beginning to stir. This is the story of how a nation rose up and a revolution changed the world forever. The spark of rebellion. In 1789, France was a land of extremes. The rich lived in opulence, while the poor starved. The people had had enough. When King Louis XVI called the Estates General to solve the financial crisis, the Third Estate, the common people, saw their chance. They broke away, forming the National Assembly, and vowed to create a new France. The people were no longer willing to wait. They demanded liberty, equality, and fraternity, or death. The storming of the Bastille. On July 14, 1789, the people of Paris rose up. They stormed the Bastille, a fortress and symbol of royal tyranny. The fall of the Bastille was a thunderclap heard around the world. The revolution had begun. The people had taken their first step toward freedom, but the road ahead would be far from easy. The Reign of Terror. As the revolution gained momentum, it took a dark turn. The radical Jacobins, led by Maximilien Robespierre, seized power. What followed was the Reign of Terror, a time when fear ruled the streets and thousands were executed by the guillotine. Even Robespierre himself fell victim to the very violence he unleashed. The revolution had begun to devour its own. The rise of Napoleon. Out of the chaos emerged a young general named Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1799, he staged a coup and took control of France, bringing an end to the revolution. But the ideals of the revolution, liberty, equality, and fraternity, would live on. Napoleon would go on to conquer much of Europe, spreading the revolutionary ideals far and wide. But the story of the revolution was far from over. The legacy of the revolution. The French Revolution was more than just a moment in history. It was a turning point, a spark that ignited the flame of democracy around the world. Its legacy lives on in every fight for freedom, every demand for equality, and every dream of a better tomorrow. Because sometimes, to build a better world, you have to tear the old one down.